Ngoretio ni ajumbe kuma kaunti ino nimendekitheetie kahinda gaaka gatwarithio nambere ginyagia tariki 15 mweriini wa kenda, makiuga ndereti ino ni ya bata kuri a Kenya na koguo no muhaka iheo kahinda ga kuigana.
We are lucky kuona jana kwamba it was published on 22 na tukaona tumepewa deadline ya tarehe 4. So that is a very short time. So leo tutaingia the details or the inside of the bill. Tunaomba leo kupewa nafasi kidogo ili tuweke kusubmit the memorandum. Because hiyo ikipita kama ile ingine ilipita ya climate change itakuwa hatari kwa sababu we are the most affected people. Ukiangalia kama carbon, wale watu wanaweza faidika mahali carbon inaweza patikana from the indigenous community. And so we want to know what is our share. So we cannot just sit. We are talking as indigenous. We are not talking as Laikipians. We are not talking as just Laikipians. This is the voice of all indigenous community. And the constitution clearly defines who are the indigenous community.
Requesting them that they should at least extend the date to 15th of September so that we can have enough time to interact with our people, the indigenous people, where they are, so that we can present a very comprehensive suggestion on the amendment of the bill, so that at least our interest as the people who live within the indigenous, who are indigenous people, we can be able to present exactly what we have in mind and what can actually safeguard our interest as indigenous community. We are also aware that we have carbon a credit bill that is on the process. We also want to urge the bill
Kamiti ya bunge ĩgiĩ ũgima wa mwĩrĩ nĩ yũrĩtie thirikari ĩtĩkĩrie gũthinga